Let's unpack the key steps and strategies in Amazon affiliate marketing. This guide focuses on providing valuable information free of charge. There's no need for expensive courses. Let's just ditch the hype and you can learn everything right here. What you want to do is to take notes, grab your pen and your paper, and open another tab to jot down the key points as we delve into the world of Amazon affiliate marketing. First, you want to understand your goals and your expectation. What is your earning potential with Amazon affiliate marketing? Let's be realistic. While some make millions, the average person starting with Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate can expect to make between $500 to $1,000 per month within the first year. Building a sustainable income takes time and it takes consistency. What is the time commitment you're able to put in? This isn't a get-rich quick scheme. You can dedicate at least 1 hour or 50 or whatever amount of hours you decide to dedicate to this. It's your choice. It's always your choice. Most successful Amazon affiliate marketers invest about 10 hours per week. There is no cost to get started. It's practically free. The one business you can start without a capital. You don't need capital to start your Amazon affiliate marketing business. Building a website might cost a few dollars per month, but there is no upfront investment. You don't have to have a website. It's just a choice. So let's look at what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. Simply put, it's promoting other people's product and earning a commission on each sale. Within Amazon Associate, by sharing a special affiliate link, you can leverage the world's largest online marketplace to generate income. Everybody knows about Amazon and practically almost everybody shops on Amazon. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamika Davis-Gooden. And thanks for taking the time out again to watch another video of mine. Hope you're learning something. And if you are, remember to hit the like and subscribe button below just to tell others that this information is valuable to you. And I encourage you to continue to watch for more tips and tricks to find your way in and around the internet to make extra money. When someone clicks on your link that you share from Amazon and makes a purchase within 24 hours of clicking on the link, you earn a commission, which is a percentage of the sale. Like on Amazon, the percentage is between 2% to 20%. You can earn up to 20% in sharing a link on Amazon. So just imagine if I click on your link and spend $1,000 with Amazon, earn 20% of that $1,000. Isn't that amazing? This is definitely going to change the way you think about making money online. So stay tuned. Many affiliates use blog to promote their product. When someone reads the article with the affiliate link and buys something, you earn a commission. Sometimes you're not even aware that you're clicking on an Amazon associate link. So you might want a sneakers and you go searching for the best sneakers and they'll give you a blog of what the sneakers is, how comfortable it is. And when you click on that link, that referral link, it takes you to the Amazon store. And because it's Amazon and it's a trusted site, you go ahead and purchase that sneakers, and that person that shared the link is making an affiliate commission from you just purchasing the sneaker. Choosing your niche is very important. Just like every other areas where we suggest that you choose a niche, this one is no different. You don't want to be a jack of all trades. To get to your $1,000 per week as a goal, you want to choose a specific niche or a specific category that interests you and one that you enjoy. Something that you enjoy talking about is the key. This allows you to create targeted content that resonates with a specific audience. Building a successful affiliate marketing takes time and it takes effort. So you must pick something that you really love, something that you're genuinely interested in, So just in case when it gets a little bit difficult and you're not finding it so creative, you can find that extra strength to push through because it's something that you love doing and something you love to talk about. So you have to find the sweet spot. Balance your passion with profitability. The other thing you want to do is to check the Amazon tool to see what categories pay in terms of percentage or commission offer the rate. So if you want to know the best affiliate niche for your Amazon business, leave a comment below. Let's look at them. Here on the screen, I'm showing you where Amazon Games you will get a commission of 20% from just sharing links about games on Amazon, 20%. So if you're selling a game that costs $100, you can make 20% commission from that game. Then high on the list, you have luxury beauty. So in the beauty industry, you will earn like 10% from that affiliate associate link. Physical book, kitchen, automotive, they'll earn 5% commission. If you're looking at Amazon devices, apparels, TV, luggages, shoes, those are like 4% commission. So next, we're going to look at building your affiliate website. So you want to build a brand online. Establishing your brand is something that you want to do. So you want to make your presence known online. The more click you get, the more purchase you get, and the more profit you'll make. So you need a website to showcase your content and establish an online presence. This is also crucial when applying for the Amazon Associate Affiliate Program. You can consider using platforms like blogger.com, which is easy to use. And once you have a Gmail account, because Blogger is a product of Google, you can use blogger.com and start a blogging website. Also, you can use Hostinger. Hostinger is an AI-generated website. Very easy to use. You can just use a few words to create your website. And then it will give you where you can modify your website to your brand color, and what you'd want it to look like. And of course, you can also use your YouTube channel. So if you're on YouTube, you can do the Amazon Associate Affiliate Program as well and use some of the products in your description, refer to them, and there you can make commission as well. So now I'm going to take you through the process applying for the Amazon Associate Program, and there are two things you need to take note of. One, you have to try and avoid your application being rejected. The program has specific requirements, and this section provides detailed walkthrough on applying for the program. Two, you want to separate your Amazon account, associate account, from your private account, especially when it comes on to business. Create another one that is specific for your affiliate account and not your personal Amazon account that you already have and use. So let's get into the tutorial of how you apply for your Amazon Associate Program. And you can just follow along step by step. As I do it, you can do it, or you can watch before you do yours. Very simple, but you just want to do the right thing. So now you get the Amazon Associate link, which I put in the description below. You want to hit sign up. And once you do that, it will take you to this page here where you're going to enter the account information. You're going to complete the information, put in your telephone number, and to confirm it, once you verify the information that you've entered, then you hit next. Then you're on to where you're going to decide which mobile website or app you're going to use. For this one, I'm going to select my YouTube page account. I'm going to enter the website or the YouTube page where it's an edit, and there you have it there. So you want to hit next. It says, are any of the traffic source listed primary for children? And this is very important that you select whether or not it's for children, and this is not. So you select no, and confirm your website about. Okay. And it says, what is your preferred associate or ID? So like for this one, you probably want to put your name if you'd like, or if you have your company name. So for me, it's like all good because I have the Airbnb. So I put home and just tell us about the content you creating video for social media platforms, platform like Instagram, platform like Facebook, platform like YouTube. There's which of the following best describe your content, whether you're doing a blog, content, or niche website along with a blog. Then how did you hear about us? Whether you hear from somebody, your friend, word of mouth, you heard from a blog site or from Amazon website. So I'm going to put blog post, then you want to type in the characters here, and then you agree to the terms and conditions. You have finished, and it says, congrats Tamika Davis-Gooden for applying associate program. You may occasionally need to provide your ID to verify your account. Your application will be viewed shortly after qualified. In the meantime, you've been granted full access, so you want to read it here. So there you have it again. You have the Amazon associate page here. So along here, it will show you the different links or different links that you share. The amount of clicks here. Right here will show you the amount of money you've made. Also on this side, you see the total number of items a person would have purchased, total overall earning, the conversion rate. And you want to look for any trending or viral product here to sell. Also, then you get your link. You can do different promotions from here. You have your tools here and your link. But if you go on the regular Amazon page and you want to say you want to go shopping, but once you're on the shopping page, you could get your Amazon link at the top here. It shows you can get the text here to get your Amazon link. You want to copy that link and then you start sharing your link. It is as simple as that, and you start sharing your links through the blog post on Instagram, on YouTube. Very effective with YouTube if you're referring to the products that you use for your videos, your lighting, your microphone. Then you'll have persons clicking on your link to purchase, and you can start right there in having your Amazon associate account activated. Once you've completed your application, there are a few things you need to know, especially when you're doing Amazon affiliate programs. Some might not apply to you, but just for you to be aware, because you don't want anything happening to your account once it's approved and you can use it. So some of those important terms and services, you have to play by the rule. It says reviewing Amazon program policies is essential. This section highlights key points. First one, you don't want to use any link shortener not to identify that it is from Amazon. You don't want to conceal that you're sharing an Amazon link. Transparency is key, and persons should know that they're clicking through to Amazon. Next, you want to avoid buying through your own affiliate link. If it happens by accident, that's fine, but you don't want to practice that. The other one is to stay away from using affiliate links in private groups and different forums. A lot of times people don't want you to share these links in your forums, and you don't want your account to be reported. So stay away from sharing the link in those forums. What you have to do is to find creative ways of doing it. It's your link. You decide what you want to do it. Just make sure that you're following the rules. Generally, use your affiliate links within your content. Use it within your content. Use it on your blog. Use it on your Instagram post. Put it in your YouTube description because it's very versatile and flexible in your YouTube description, especially for my YouTubers. It's your best friend. You want to refrain from use it to run ads. So you don't want to run ads just specifically for your Amazon link. And the other thing I want you to know is you have up to 6 months before you make your first sale, because failure to do so can result in your account being activated. But you can get somebody to click on your link and make a purchase within the first 6 months. It's not that difficult. You can do it on Amazon. You can share it in your YouTube link, get persons to click and to get at least a purchase within 6 months. The thing with Amazon Associate, it is endless. There are people out there who are just making thousands and thousands of dollars doing Amazon associate alone. So you can do it too. It is flexible. It depends on what you want to do with it. So there you have it. This video serves as a springboard to your Amazon affiliate marketing journey. Remember, success takes time and dedication. Consistency is key. By following these simple steps and creating valuable content, you're well on your way to financial freedom. So take the next step and start building your own affiliate website. Want more tips and tricks? Remember to subscribe to exclusive content and look out for my next video.